So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to draw a table here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Once that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and type in draw a table so we know what we're talking about here. Once that is done, I'll press on enter a couple times because I want to draw it below. Go to the top left here where it says home. Beside that it says insert, press on that. Then in the bottom right it says table, press on the arrow beside it. Then go to the bottom right here, is not where it says insert table, but where it says draw table. So go ahead here and press on draw table. Now you have your drawing tool right here. And what you can actually do is just, highlight the area that you're wishing to draw a table in. So go ahead and press on that. As of right now, it's a 1 by 1. If you want to view the grid lines, you can go ahead and press on that. You can view the properties as well, just like that as well. You can insert above, different row, insert below, whatever the case may be. You can get creative and play along with it this way. So pretty straightforward, super simple. This is how to draw a table here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.